Your Pelsue Quick Rescue Hoist has been engineered by our team to save valuable time during confined space rescues. This video will walk you through the proper setup and removal of your Pelsue Quick Rescue Hoist. First, as with all equipment, you must conduct a thorough inspection before the hoist is cleared for use in the field. Examine the entire body of the hoist for any damage, structural defects, or signs of wear. If you notice any of these, the hoist must be removed from service until it can be repaired or replaced. Next, inspect the full length of the rope for kinks, wear, damage, or any other defects that would harm the rope's structural integrity. Be sure to also examine the crimps and snap hooks on the rope to ensure these connections are appropriately tight and functioning as intended. If your inspection yields signs of damage or malfunction, the rope must be replaced. Your rope should also be replaced if it has been exposed to corrosives and other chemicals, electrical currents, or has exceeded a load of 310 pounds during operation. As always, adhere to the procedures for your particular workspace as outlined in your applicable confined space safety plan. Once your inspection is complete, you can install the hoist on your anchorage. First, ensure that the quick connect brackets are secured to the structure of the anchorage. Make sure you refer to the manual for your anchorage for bracket mounting details. Raise the mounting frame plate on the bottom of the hoist over the anchor rod on the mounting bracket. Align the holes on the bracket and the hoist and secure the assembly using the included pin. Now the rope can be attached to the hoist drum. If your rope has a straight end, use the following method to secure it to the drum. Locate the rope cleat on the inside of the hoist housing next to the drum. Make a loop on the end of the rope, leaving ample slack on the line to be wrapped around the drum. If you have a left-hand crank, insert the loop under the drum, with the live or long end in the rope cleat and the dead or short end to the side. If you have a right-hand crank, insert the loop over the drum. Again, place the live end in the cleat and the dead end to the side. Now both ends of the rope can be wound into a tight level coil. Crank the handle at least 4 full rotations to securely wrap the rope around the drum. If, instead of a straight rope, your rope has a loop on the end, you can use the included rope hook before winding the line around the drum. Once the rope is affixed to the drum, inspect the rope function before attaching a load to the end. Pull on the rope and turn the handle to feed it out. Engage the brake by turning the handle in the opposite direction until you hear 2 ratchet clicks. Release the handle and pull hard on the rope. The brake should prevent both the crank and the line from moving. Add slight tension to the rope and turn the crank handle to retract the line. Follow the instructions specific to your anchorage device for feeding the line over the pulley. The line can now be attached to a worker's harness. When using the hoist to retrieve a worker, operate the crank smoothly and quickly to prevent further harm to the worker. To remove the hoist, first turn the crank handle to feed out the entirety of the line. Remove the rope from the drum and store it securely. Remove the pin and unhook the hoist from the mounting bracket. Conduct another visual inspection of the hoist before storing. Pelsue is dedicated to your safety from design and manufacturing through the life of your equipment. If you have questions or concerns about your quick rescue hoist, contact us immediately by emailing sales@pelsue.com or by calling 800-525-8460. Pelsue, over half a century of tradition and innovation.